Hello friends, how are you all? I think you are all okay. So today our new product review video is now starting. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a toolkit that every DIYer, techie, and gadget lover should probably have on their desk. It's the 115-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set, a compact all-in-one repair tools kit that's built for everything from computers and phones to small household repairs. Now, if you've ever needed to open a laptop, fix a phone, or tighten a tiny screw on your glasses, you know how frustrating it is to not have the right tool. That's exactly what this kit solves. Inside the box, you get 115 pieces. That includes a wide range of precision bits: Phillips, flathead, Torx, pentalobe, triangle, even some weird security bits you've probably never seen before. That means it covers basically every modern device, from iPhones and MacBooks to game controllers, watches, and more. What I love is that the bits are all magnetic, so they stay in place when you're working with tiny screws. And yes, the magnetic driver has great grip and torque, which makes a huge difference when you're working with delicate electronics. The case is compact and organized really well. Each bit has its own labeled spot, and it clicks into place securely. So you won't open the box and find everything scattered. It even comes with extras like a SIM eject tool, plastic pry tools, tweezers, suction cup, and an extension rod for those hard-to-reach spots. I tested this out on my laptop and a couple of old smartphones I had lying around, and it made the repair process a lot smoother. The bits fit perfectly, and I didn't have any issues with slipping or stripping screws. That's a big deal when you're working on tiny components. Let's talk pros and cons. Pros: huge variety of bits. Seriously covers everything. Strong, magnetism, and good build quality. Organized and portable case. Great value for the price. Ideal for both tech repair and small household tasks. Cons: the plastic tools are a bit flimsy for tougher jobs. Not meant for heavy-duty repairs. This is a precision set. Some of the lesser used bits might just collect dust if you're not doing advanced repairs. So, who is this for? If you like doing your own tech repairs, building PCs, or even just want to fix your kids' toys or your glasses, this kit is a smart investment. It's affordable, super versatile, and saves you from digging around for the right screwdriver every time something breaks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down in the description. As always, if this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool and tech reviews, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want me to test something specific. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.